Let's learn how to create a new order and complete a brief. This brief is shared between you and your design studio to make sure we deliver the graphic design you need. The more detailed the brief, the better the result. Now, let's start. First, click on the Create New Order button. Select your service type and click Choose. For example, let's create a door hanger. Next, put in the order details starting with order title, service requirements, and color specification. Then, tell us more about your business so our designer can understand your brand better. Here, create the project brief. Be as clear and specific as you can and try to include the format and type of file you would like to receive. For example, a PDF, JPEG, or even a print-ready file. On the right side of your screen, you can set a due date and add collaborators. Here, attach files that will support the project. When you're done, press Publish as Order and let us do the rest. Now that your order is ready to go, check out our other tutorials to learn more about Ngine.